In this edition of our Useful Website series, I'll introduce you to 8 websites across various categories that you might not be familiar with. Some of these were suggested by viewers in the comments of our previous videos. Let's dive in. Number 1. Quant. If you're concerned about privacy while searching the web, Quant is a European-based search engine worth considering. It prioritizes privacy, doesn't store or sell your information, and doesn't use cookies. It offers search results similar to Google or Bing. Number 2. BeFunky. This is a versatile photo editor similar to Pixlr and PicMonkey. It's been recommended by some of our viewers for its user-friendly interface and features. You can edit photos, create collages, and use various design tools. It's free with some limitations, but there's also a premium version with more features. Number 3. Privnote. Need to send sensitive information that you don't want to be stored permanently? Privnote allows you to send self-destructing messages. You can set the message to be automatically deleted after a certain period or after it's been read. It's a straightforward and secure way to communicate privately. Number 4. JobScan. Job seekers can use JobScan to optimize their resumes for specific job applications. By comparing your resume to the job description, JobScan highlights areas for improvement and provides suggestions to increase your chances of success. It offers a free plan with limited scans and paid plans for more features. Number 5. Highbrow. For busy individuals looking to learn new skills in bite-sized lessons, Highbrow delivers 5-minute lessons directly to your email inbox over a period of 10 days. It covers a range of topics and offers a 30-day free trial before requiring a monthly subscription. Number 6. Refdesk. Despite its old-school appearance, Refdesk remains a valuable resource for finding web-based information across various categories. Whether you're looking for daily facts, useful websites, or random trivia, Refdesk has been a reliable source since 1995. Number 7, FreeCodeCamp. If you're interested in learning coding skills for free, FreeCodeCamp is a nonprofit platform offering lessons in HTML, JavaScript, and more. It also provides a supportive community and forums for assistance. Number 8, Geeks for Geeks. Another valuable resource for aspiring programmers, Geeks for Geeks offers tutorials and articles on algorithms, data structures, and various programming languages. It's particularly helpful for preparing for technical interviews, as it provides insights into interview experiences with major companies. Each of these websites offers something unique and valuable, whether it's privacy-focused search, creative photo editing, free coding lessons, interview preparation tips, secure messaging, resume optimization, convenient learning, or reliable information discovery. Check them out and see which ones suit your needs. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.